On the steep face of a towering dam, a herd of ibex clings tightly with each step, defying gravity itself. Their small but sturdy hooves grip tiny cracks in the concrete, allowing them to scale the near-vertical surface with astonishing ease. Their focused, determined eyes reflect a primal instinct to survive in a harsh environment. They climb not to escape predators, but to seek out salt deposits embedded in the stone. The scene is both surreal and breathtaking, leaving viewers in awe of the animal's incredible adaptability. Under the sunlight, the ibex appear like expert mountaineers on a life-or-death journey across a man-made cliff.